Aluminum profiles for shower are a type of aluminum profile specifically designed for use in bathroom showers. It has high corrosion resistance and can be used for a long time without rusting or corrosion. The surface has been specially treated to prevent contamination and facilitate cleaning. The size and load-bearing capacity of the profiles can be customized according to custom needs. The color and style of the profiles can also be selected according to customer preferences. It can effectively protect the glass doors and partitions of the shower room and make the overall appearance of the shower room more beautiful. In addition, it can effectively prevent water mist from running into the entire room in the bathroom, maintaining the dryness and cleanliness of the entire bathroom. Aluminum profiles are produced in desired sizes with wide product options. We guarantee our products are manufactured using the highest quality raw materials and advanced technology that gives them strength, durability, and reliability. With constant product R&D, we are able to continuously innovate and improve our product range and processes. At Xingqiu Aluminium, we believe in giving only the highest quality end product with best price range.